Hey guys, Trey from AmericanTrucks.com, and today we're going to be taking a look at these Husky custom molded mud guards for the rear end of your 2019 and newer Silverado 1500s. These mud guards are a solid option for Silverado owners wanting to protect their truck's body or undercarriage from debris, rocks, and mud. They're especially useful if you regularly drive on gravel or rugged terrain, or if you just want some extra coverage to reduce road spray and buildup. Now, these mud guards right here are engineered to fit seamlessly on your Silverado 1500, conforming to the wheel well for maximum coverage. They're constructed from durable thermoplastic, so they resist cracking, chipping, and everyday wear, so they can withstand the rough weather and road conditions. Husky designed these to have an OEM style fit, ensuring they look like a factory part and line up precisely without interfering with your truck's function or style. The guards are also lightweight but rigid enough to block larger road debris, providing additional protection against scratches, chips, and grime. This added coverage also minimizes the time needed to clean the mud and road spray from the truck's lower panels. Made from impact-resistant thermoplastic like I mentioned, these mud guards hold up well in extreme weather without fading or becoming brittle. They are also UV stabilized to resist sun damage, maintaining their appearance and structure over time. The design ensures these mud guards stay firmly in place even in the rugged conditions, so you don't have to worry about them shifting or loosening over time. As far as pricing on these, they're coming in right around the $100 mark, providing excellent protection and durability at a very reasonable price. Installation is going to be simple, scoring only a 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty scale, and should only take you about 30 minutes total. These come with all the necessary mounting hardware, and with the exact fit, you don't need to do any modifications while putting them on, making it a straightforward install. Now, let's check out an install video from one of our AmericanTrucks.com customers and see exactly how these go on your 1500.
Okay, what we used today, just a regular spray bottle here for our solution that we used. What they want you to do is mix 1 pint of water with roughly 4 drops of dish soap. This here I just used, it's a flexible putty knife. Use it as a squeegee. If you have a squeegee, you can use a sponge too. This here, just have a ratchet with an adapter for the bit. Again, Torx T15 is what we used. You can use the longer screwdriver type if you want. You're just gonna have to take the wheels off. It'd be a little bit more work, but you can still get it done. And obviously just a rag, microfiber towel. Use good to clean up so you're not scratching the paint and everything. Today we're going to be installing these mud guards I got from American Trucks, and we're going to be putting them on my 2022 Chevy Silverado. So let's get started. Okay, we have a protective film that we need to put on the fender here, just to help protect the paint. We're going to make sure we clean the area up real good. We're going to let that dry. We're taking peel the film off of here. And we want to get this wet with our water solution. Water and some dish soap. Soak that up. Place it on here, and you're going to move it down. Kind of get as close as you can to the edge. We're going to want to slide the water out from underneath there. Try to get all the air bubbles out, everything you have. I'm going to take a little squeegee here. You can move it a little bit. Take a rag or a sponge, slide along there, try to get all the water out that you can. Once you get that position where you want it, we're going to want to let it dry. Probably only take 10-15 minutes. Just like that. Okay, once we got our film on here and it's good and dry, we're gonna get started putting the mud guard on. There's 2 screws down here that are on there from the factory. What I'm using is a Torx, a T25 bit. I have a bit adapter on my ratchet here. So we'll go ahead and get those removed. If you don't have a bit adapter and a ratchet set up like this, you can use the regular screwdriver type. You're just gonna have to take the wheel off, make room for it. So we got those out. There's nothing else on there. We're gonna put this on. You want to take and remove this red film here. So you have the adhesive. You want to start by positioning it on here from the bottom. Kind of work your way up. Once you get it into place, push tight on there so that adhesive sticks up onto the fender there. We're going to want to put these 2 screws back in. Try and get those snug down. Okay, after we get these all tightened down, there's a little clip here we need to pop in. There's a couple marks on the mud flap itself, or the mud guard. You're going to want to line it up right in there. Take this little curved part, and that's going to go behind the fender lip here. Looks like we got it all the way on there. And that's it. Now we're going to do the same thing we did on the other side.
All right, well that's gonna wrap up a review and install of the Husky custom molded rear mud guards for the 2019 and newer Silverado 1500s. And for all things Silverado, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.